Tired of cheesy Halloween costumes? Let's make spooky season chic. Here are easy, elegant and affordable Halloween outfits you can pull together with what's already in your closet. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine and on this channel we share style guides, fashion inspiration, shopping ideas and so on for short women or petite women, because petite only means short. By the way, for those that didn't know, I'll let you know. Okay? However, if you have noticed, I don't know if you have, but each year I share also Halloween ideas. Usually those are super easy, simple, chic, elegant outfits that you can find in your closet. It's meant for you to inspire yourself. Use that you already have, that you feel comfortable in, that's not cheap. And create something really nice, really feminine, really timeless, and at the same time fun for Halloween. However, at the same time I'm sharing this a little bit earlier because I will share the dresses and outfits that inspired me, so in case you want to buy something affordable that you will be able to wear it every day as well afterwards, because these like dresses and everything are just normal dresses. They're not like the cheap polyester Halloween costumes or anything like that, so you will be able to actually wear them. So if you need to buy them or want to buy them, then you will be able to do that for your Halloween and then just wear it daily. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more petite style guides, fashion inspiration and so on. And without further ado, let's get into this fun spooky video. So for the first one, the moment I received this dress, it was almost a year ago, half a year ago I think, I knew that I'm going to use it for my Halloween style guide, because it reminded me of Bella, and I have already worn it out and I got so many compliments from girls. It's just super petite friendly. It has the V neckline. If you have bigger bust, this is going to be perfect. And then it like cinches in, but you can also use belts to cinch it even more in, and it has like a nice fluffy skirt part. The dress itself is super heavy and good quality. That's why actually I cannot wear it in summer because it's really hot where I live, but it's perfect for like spring or fall time. And for me, as I'm short, it is like a maxi dress. You see it goes up to here, and then I am going to style it with these ones. It gives like princess vibes. They are from Vivaya. They have bows on. However, the idea is to wear heels actually, because it's like a Bella and the Beast kind of prom or ball dance dress. So you can wear definitely heels to give it more like that kind of look, but if you want to be super comfortable, then you can wear these. These just give me like a princess vibes. I think to make it even more Bella-like, you can just have maybe some small crown or some like nice hair accessories and then leave it like the curls falling down. I think that would help even more. But yeah, what do you think about this outfit? Okay, first I let you guess the outfit. Stop the video, comment down below what do you think I am, who you think I am. I decided to be Wednesday because Wednesday I think is going to be trendy topic this Halloween. I think each year there's some trendy there's some timeless outfits and costumes, like I know a witch, maybe Catwoman and so on, and then they're like viral and trending ones, and I think Wednesday could be the one again, just because on Netflix you have a Wednesday season out, the new season that I haven't still watched. So no spoilers please, but yeah, anything this black and white kind of horizontal striped you can use, or if you have like with white color, then obviously you have to make 2 braids. I have only one, so I'm failing already. Make 2 braids, and then any kind of black bottoms that is not way too sexy, too simple. I would have preferred black pants, but I don't have black pants, so choose either really black denim or just black pants in general. That would be the best way. Or if you don't have like something gothic black, I had only this kind of skirt that I have. Take like black shoes. They can be the actual school type of shoes, or sneakers as well, but they have to be not sporty sneakers, more like gothic kind of edgy sneakers. I have these black simple flats. I thought that these might work really good, and then I put like black socks as well to give this special Wednesday effect, I would say, and I think that's not too bad. Next outfit. This is a little bit more like unique and creative. I don't know if you will have something in the comment. However, if you have something black and white vertical, more like lines, I think you can make it work. You just have to be something really weird. Just search online, you know. But I have this dress, especially with the like green rim. It kind of makes it even more like weird, and Beetlejuice approved, I think. So this will be the feminine, elegant Beetlejuice dress that I think is super cute. You can just play around with makeup a lot with this one. Make a crazy hair, like poodle hair, but for me it comes naturally, so. And then the crazy makeup, like black under eyes, white, black, everything spooky, dead. Make it look dead and so on. Super appropriate, you know, for the Halloween. Then I'm wearing the black sneakers. I would wear also combat boots and so on. Again, a little bit something more like edgy, like that's what I think, at least personally. Swings, you can dance in it. What do you think about this dress? So all the links will be down below. If I forgot something, please ask me in the comment section, okay? Okay guys, who do you think I am? Imagine blonde hair, wig or not, allegedly, I don't know. Yeah, this is kind of a Sabrina Carpenter's inspired dress you wear for Halloween and then you wear for Christmas or New Year's parties and so on. It's super nice, it's super flattering, it's super sparkly, it has feathers everywhere, and you can wear it if you're a blonde girl. So Bella's dress was perfect for brunettes because you don't need any wigs and anything, and it's just kind of understandable. This is perfect for blondes. Then you also don't need a wig, and it's more easy to get already in the mood and vibe and so on. If you don't want to be Sabrina Carpenter, great, you can make this into a Barbie dress. Easy. Make it like Barbie-like. Do the hair really like long, nice curls or something like that. I have these nice shoes on that give me even more kind of 2000s vibes, I would say. But yeah, I'm so obsessed with this dress and I really don't know where I'm going to wear it. Like, I don't really go anywhere to wear things like this, you know. I don't go to New Year's Eve parties or Christmas parties, so I don't even know. I have so many nice dresses that I don't know where to wear it. I don't know guys, help me. Brands, invite me somewhere. Okay girls, so now I want to just share some really quick styling tips. So one is for really polished look, go for monochrome. Even now this is kind of monochrome, it's like all pink. Then there are many black ideas. You can be a Catwoman, you can be Audrey Hepburn from Breakfast at Tiffany's and so on. It will give you a super polished, luxurious, elegant look if you want to, and Petite friendly obviously. Always elevate with accessories. Those are the ones that kind of finish your look, you know, that makes you understand, oh yeah, you really worked on the outfit. And many times accessories are not like expensive. You can, if you want to be Audrey Hepburn, you can buy like really cheap pearls. If you like whatever, you need some gloves, you know, you can really get them for not expensive price, but they will going to just elevate the look and finish the look and make people understand, yeah, you really are that person that you're trying to be, you know. And last but not least, the one that I kind of all the time preached and repeated were the hair and makeup. That again is one thing that can just make you actually look like that person, like someone who you actually want to look like. The crazy look and hair for Bitlechus or the 2 braids for Wednesday, all the things, like it's really important to actually study how they look and what the makeup to use and so on. Even for Belle, like use this like princessy glam look, you know, like simple, but you have to do it. Halloween costume mistakes to avoid. So why I'm doing this? First reason why I'm doing these videos, sharing more like outfits kind of from your closet or something that you can get really easily and look more chic and elegant and so on, not just to inspire, to get away from these like cheap, disgusting, horrible, like sexy looking costumes that just make you not look good. Like you don't, no girl, no, it's shameful. It's really shameful. Just understand that you can look elegant and super nice. Imagine if all the girls are like in these like kind of nice outfits and you just appear in this chic and elegant look. All eyes will be on you. But other thing is to avoid buying those cheap polyester looking costumes that you're going to throw away. They're disgusting. And then you maybe don't want to spend like a lot for expensive one, because usually you don't want to really wear it next year anymore. And I think this is a great way, you know, it's like a really sustainable way, I would say, even eco-friendly. Then also avoid overly literal outfits, make it classy, make it elegant, make it simple, and avoid bulky layers. This is more like a petite fashion tip than anything else. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope it inspired you this Halloween season. I hope it motivated you, and let me know which outfit you love the best, who you are going to be for this Halloween season. If you're going somewhere, what are your plans? Just let's chit chat. I want to chit chat with you. And like and subscribe. Don't forget to watch other videos from other years. Maybe they inspire you for something else. And I'm going to see you next time. Bye.